Okay, let's check your answer. So read and answer number 1, Eureka.
Cow milk is beneficial for health.
So where is the noun and the sentence?
Cow.
Okay, check. Next, number 2, Frank.
She cannot play the guitar.
Okay, check. Number 3, Princess.
My mother works in a school.
Mother. Okay, 4.
Do you live in America?
Okay. So circle the noun ha. Not following instruction is wrong. Okay, number 5. Goldie.
He has no faith in God.
Faith. What's the answer?
God.
Next. Number 6. Miho.
Dogs are very beautiful.
Asa ang noun? Dogs and animals. Okay, number 7, Sean. Day 1, check ra.
The wall smashed through the window.
Asa ang noun?
More window.
Okay, ball and window. Unsa man ang ball and window?
One thing.
Okay, thanks. Okay, number 8. Fiorella.
My mother cooks delicious food.
Okay, asa ang noun?
Mother.
Mother. Okay, number 9. Balik, Eureka.
She put the milk.
She put the milk.
She put the milk in the refrigerator last night.
Asa dihang noun?
Refrigerator.
Okay na, last.
Jumbo is one of the best dancers in the
Academy.
Jumbo.
Jumbo. Okay, who got the perfect score? Count the number of check.
Sir. Sayang number 9, sir. Baka sayang number.
Unsa man?
Sir. Sorry, sir. Number 10, sir. Check.
Ano man?
Kaya wala siya answer sa bull.
Usara yan, sir. Okay, to na lang na be. To, kung duha ang answer to. Kung wala siya. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 over 12.
Pwede. Jumbo.
One ra. Check man kasi sa sa 9 over 12 mo ha. Okay, who got the highest score?
Ay, wrong day.
12 over 12, Chan? No? Okay, so, Alto students, our topic for today is all about figures of repetition. Okay. So, figures of repetition. Actually, they are, daghan sila, no? Okay, so this time, we are going to discuss about the simplicity, anadiploses, and epanalipsis. Okay, so simplicity, anaphora plus epiphora. It means repetition at the
Beginning and ending.
okay, repetition at the beginning and the ending. Okay, so for example, we rise together, we fall together. So asa nagabalik-balik dira?
Together.
Oh, ang together og we, very good. So we and the together nagabalik-balik. Ang we naa sa kinaunhan, ang together naa sa kinalasan. Which means ang we kay ana, ang together kay okay. So anaphora plus epiphora equals simplicity. Okay, very good. Okay. So next, Next figures of repetition is anadiploses. Okay, so anadiploses, it is the repetition of the last words or words previous line of the beginning of the next. Okay, so it means ang anadiploses na ay repetition, na ay repeat sa kinalasan sa sentence, then mobalik sa kinaunahan. So for example, life ends with a memory. Okay, di ba? So asa nagabalik-balik ang
Ends.
okay, ang ends. For example, life ends, comma, ends with a memory. So mao na ang anadiploses. Gabalik-balik siya sa asa man gabalik-balik? Okay. Oh, beginning of the next. So sa ending niya sa next ni balik siya. Mao na ang anadiploses. Ang ipinalipses, repetition of the initial part. So gabalik-balik siya. Then gabalik siya, wala na siya lain. For example, love is blind. Love. So, mao na siya. Ha? Mao na ang ipanalipses. Okay, again, kanibe. He came in darkness. He left in darkness. Sama na siya. Ha? He came in darkness. He left in darkness. Simplosi. Very good. Simplosi. He came in darkness. Oh, he left in darkness. Darkness. So, di ba naasa sa kinaunahan, napod siya sa? Oh. So, anaphora plus epiphora? Simplosi. Okay, mo na ang simplosi. Okay, kanebe. Repetition of the initial part. Ayaw na sa your notes. Anaphora plus epiphora. Repetition at the ending. At the ending. Oh, very good, Nicole. Epiphora. Wala ko, di ba? Wala sa tong topic karon. Beginning at the repetition at the beginning. So repetition of the last words or words previous line. Anadiploses. Very good. Anadiploses.
So we are going to practice our mission and SJ name. SJ name, 감사합니다.
Nobody gonna have your back like the way I do. Let me just say you do. You know you got me. Everything you do, everything you did, everything I wish I was with makes me feel alright. I'm just saying so. I really like it. Nothing in the world can make me feel the way you do the things you do. I really like it. Nothing in the world can make me feel the way you do the things you do. I love you and me, dancing in the moonlight, nobody can see. It's just you and me, tonight I love you and me, dancing.
SJ name, 감사합니다 for the snacks. Agad yung kuwan, agad kong kaya mo siya, yung statement yung subunit.